Hello everyone, welcome to our special cooking class at ALA. Today, our March 3 students will show you how to make delicious Vietnamese Fresh Spring Rolls. All of our ingredients are freshly cooked and prepped, so we are ready to roll. How about you? Let's do it!
Hello, I'm Thomas. Let's look at our ingredients. We have boiled shrimp, sliced pork, and soft rice noodles. You can also use other ingredients like fried eggs.
Hello, my name is Nancy. We also have fresh lettuce, cucumber, and carrot on it. If you are a vegetarian, you can use mushroom instead of meat. If we need a little bit of warm water, and we use it soften the rice paper.
Hi, I'm Mia. Now let's roll together. First, you take set of rice paper and you wet it gently with some water. When the rice paper becomes soft, we place some lettuce and noodle on it.
Hi everyone, my name is Hello. Next, you add meat, cucumber, and carrots. You must roll the rice paper tightly on the ingredients we found out. If you want the roll look pretty, put the rest seam at the end of the roll.
Making spring roll is fun and eating them together is even better. If you want to practice English while making delicious food, join our family at ALA. Thanks for watching and see you next time.